ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kumasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum.
Hadian baka sorkar pedenggal sngap ya ke jing o jing nam bat ke jing kerpat. Menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad ke sang mau la ai kublai kerpang ya menteri sorkar ke Pule putih Udi Pradhan halor ke sin jambo la shimman pelat ya ke jela Meghalaya naga Common University Entrance Test lane ke CUET. Habakren syagilat patai kubor u konrad ke sang mau la penpau ya ke jing kemen halor ke jing sngap menteri sorkar keme ya ke jing kerpat ke sorkar bat ula penpau ru bagani kan Ïarap sikat dai ya ki Samla Pule jong ke jela.
I would like to take this opportunity to once again thank the Honourable Minister for Education, Government of India, Mr. Pradhanji, for accepting our request and my personal request to exempt the colleges affiliated to NEHU from the CUET exam. In the last many years also, the Government of India has exempted Meghalaya, and we're thankful that once again we requested, and on the basis of our request, the Government of India has exempted the state of Meghalaya and also the state of Nagaland, and this will go a long way in actually helping our students. And by next year, we are very, very hopeful that most of our colleges will be affiliated to our state university, and hence we would not require the exemptions from next year onwards. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank the Government of India for accepting our proposal and our request for exemption of the affiliated colleges from the CUET exam.
We have received the communication that this year for 24-25 has been exempted again for this year. So it is like the institutions, both CUT and non-CUT, can be take admission in the colleges. No, it will be still be there, because however, like it is exempted means those who have appeared. Yes, they have appeared there. Those, because the good things from the CUT is those appeared for the CUT and scored a good marks, they can try for admission in higher education in other state of the country. So that's the good thing, and there's many both positive and negative things. So now for this year, I mean consecutive for last 3 years, we have got the exemption from the NTA. But to my surprise, yesterday our friends from BPP just met me and discussed about this issue also, and we have listened to them and we have discussed with them together, and they have informed us that many did not registered for the CUT entrance examination. That make me surprised. I don't know how our students did not and could not be registered for CUT examination. But to me, I would like to inform everybody today. I would like to request all the students and head of institutions across the state, maybe for coming years, we may not have the enough justification reason to seek exemption again and again. For the colleges, especially affiliated to the central university. Therefore, our students, our institutions must be prepared, must be sensitized, must be given the awareness so that everybody should be aware and they should register for the CUT entrance examination. Those who are going to take admission in the institutions affiliated to the central university, and as well as those who are planning to go outside the state for higher education, number one. And number two, the good things is after appearing for the CUT examination, we can understand how much we have studied, what the result, how we perform. We can also understand the performance of the students in our institution. But however, as a teacher, profession before I joined politics, I would like to advise my young students, we should not fear. We should not fear appearing all such kind of entrance examination. We should try for experience. But to me, yes, for the Central University, CUT may be compulsory in the days to come. However, with respect to the state Meghalaya, those institutions who wants to affiliate with the state university, and many of the state institutions will be affiliated to the Captain Sangma Williamson State University from this year, and the work is on the process, and these are the update as well. And I would like to thank the Union Higher Education Ministry, Government of India, the Honorable Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, for taking up the matter with the Ministry. As of now, is for undergraduate. Yeah. Provided NTA arrangement and the management are convenient to the students, the preparation, the center in every district, the proper communication with the state government, with the university, with the institution. This should not be the issue. This should not be the appearing for entrance examination just for admission should not be the issue for our students. However, some of the challenge we have, what we have experienced, the NTA was not in the proper they couldn't manage well. So this is what things happen. But maybe now, thank God that we have the state government, that our state students has got relief, that they have exempted again for this year. And maybe in the coming years, this may not happen again and again, and we will not have enough justification reason to ask for exemption. However, I would like to urge my young students to get prepared, to be ready, to feel that we are second to nobody. Just now we had a meeting with the Meghalaya, this is MCTA. Just now we have discussed about this specifically, about the challenges and the issues of the CUT. And they have informed us and they have appraised the government that in near future, they have raised the concern about the fees, even the fees, paying of fees, it's high, 800 rupees per paper, I've been told. And like the insufficient of the centers also. So all things we will communicate to the NTA from the state government of Lord, and NTA should also communicate state government properly in advance, in well time. So because this year they did not communicate to the state government well advanced, and there was a miscommunication also. Therefore, and the many in the country, be in the UP, be the Delhi, the CUT exam was postponed, rescheduled. All things happen across the country. Maybe there may be challenges that happens. We have to understand. But however, in the days to come, we will communicate to the NTA that make sure our students should not suffer. Should be given enough infrastructure, enough center, enough requirement, enough awareness, enough coordination, enough proper communication. And we will also do the needful from our side to communicate all these problems to the NTA and to the Ministry of Government. No, that exact number I don't have, but about it is more or less about 6,000 to 7,000 only appear.
Undergraduate.
Yeah, many did not register. So to my understanding, I think about 40 to 50% of our class 12 students did not register for the CUT exams in this year. So it is something that struck my mind. What happens? What maybe it's lack of communication, lack of awareness. But I would advise my young students and the institutions that as a students we should be always updated, know what is happening in the country, what is happening in the world, what is happening in the system, what is happening in today. So I would advise my young students to be always keep updated themselves with all the development happening.